Every hour my phone rings. Voicemail from me, solving a case I haven't even started. I hit play because of course I do. My voice says, turn left. The street moves right. People swap names like trading cards. Barista is now mayor. Mayor is now dog walker. The dog says thank you, I'm on lunch. I follow anyway. The city rearranges. Signs mutate. My apartment grows a hallway that loops 3 times and becomes a cul-de-sac. No GPS, only me from the future, leaving breadcrumbs and sass. I'm like, what is the case? Me from the voicemail is like, you already solved it, bestie, just keep up. I keep up. Barely. Every corner is a plot twist. Every lamppost is a memory I forgot to have. Then my voice slips an ad into the clue. I cringe, but I listen. It goes, while we're sprinting from causality, quick word about passive income options. I yell, not now. The street whispers, now. The payphone rings. It's me again. This is the hint, I say to myself, because passive income is exactly what you want when the timeline keeps clocking you. Money that works while you run. Money that stacks even when the city swaps your last name with Tuesday. Clue 1. Dividend stocks. My voice says it like a password. I step into an alley. A neon sign drips letters. Dividend drip. Someone hands me a receipt for cash I didn't touch. Eerie. Nice. Get paid for owning pieces of boring, stable things while you chase ghosts. Not advice. Just vibes. Just options. Clue 2. Index funds. A whole corridor stretches ahead. It's made of averages. The walls say, don't pick heroes. Pick everyone. Low effort. Long timeline. Autopilot energy. I walk and the floor hums like a spreadsheet you married for personality. Clue 3. High-yield savings. Emergency cash, but make it not crusty. The bank vault in my building is now a lemon tree that drops interest whenever I blink. Not thrilling, not spicy. But when reality stutters, liquidity is the seatbelt. Clue 4. REITs. I open a door into a landlord cat. The cat says, I collect rent, you collect yields. Hairball of cash flow without fixing a sink. Purr if diversified. I purr politely. Clue 5. Digital products. My voice leaves me a folder titled, Sell It While You Sleep. Templates, guides. A tiny course I forgot I made. It's all autopilot. It's all scale. The city copies itself and so do my files. Woke up, made money, didn't move. Delicious. Clue 6. Print on demand. I pass a mirror. My shirt now says, arrest yourself. But monetize it. Who made that? Me made that. Some printer in a warehouse sent it. I profit while existing in 12 timelines at once. Fashion, but passive. Clue 7. Affiliate marketing. The crosswalk turns into a link. I point at a product I like. The street pays me a finder's fee. Someone else handles boxes and customer service. I handle the pointing. Easy cardio. 0 boxes. Clue 8. T-bills. The courthouse clock melts into maturity dates. Short-term, predictable. Government-flavored patience. I stash a stack of time under my tongue. The loop groans like a dinosaur that pays you back. I'm out of breath, but the voicemail keeps dripping. Every hour, a new step. Every step, a new passive income option that anchors me. The case is not murder. The case is cash flow. Because the city only loops when I'm broke on time. I cross the street, and the street crosses me back. Name swap again. I'm Detective You. You're Suspect Me. We fist bump. We're both wrong and extremely right. Me from the voicemail says, automate it. Auto-pay the future. Schedule the deposits. Set the contributions. Let the accounts do their little dance. So while you're busy chasing me, your money builds a quiet staircase out. You in the comments like, is this a skit or a finance sermon? Yes, it's a chase scene in an Excel sheet. It's a car crash made of compounding. It's passive income options acting like plot armor. I try ignoring one message. Instant regret. The sidewalk grows a cul-de-sac shaped like my student debt. I listen again. Siri, play my own voice telling me to take myself seriously. There's a whiteboard on the side of a bus. I write rules. Rule 1, don't time travel without a high-yield cushion. Rule 2, do the boring things on repeat. Rule 3, Diversify like your name will be swapped with a park bench at noon. The bus drives off with half the answer and calls me later. My voicemail hears itself and blushes. I jog past reality's loading screen and wave at the buffering icon. We're all influencers to our future selves. We love to see it. Another hour. Another ring. My voice is calmer now. It says, "You've almost solved it." It says the villain is looped expectation. It says the evidence was every deposit made while you were too busy to breathe. My phone buzzes again. Final message. My voice, but older. Tired. Happy weird. It says, "Arrest me at my own door, or the city loops forever." I climb the stairs that learned my footsteps. Each step pays a dividend in oxygen. At my door, the number changes to my birthday, then to my bank routing, then to my first dog's name. I knock. Silence has a pulse. The hallway smells like fresh print-on-demand ink and lemon interest. The neighbors are now audience. The cat landlord stamps a tiny warrant with one paw. I turn the knob. One more voicemail starts recording from inside. My voice, half an ad, half a confession. It says, "Passive income options were the map. The chase was just to make you listen." I step in. Reality exhales. Inside, my voice is still recording.